Companions, it's the clearest night here, as clear as day, and welcome back to another episode of Battle Cats. Now, I know I haven't made an episode in 3 days, but that's because one day, no episodes. See, there's zombie outbreaks everywhere here. One day, no episodes. The second day, I was babysitting. And the third day, I checked Battle Cats, and I was content blocked. Blocked on all my content. But before we do anything, no, we're not going to the store. We're gonna go here, and we have Uberfest, and the drop rate up for Ubers is up to a whopping 9%. Yep, 9%. So we're gonna try all three of these rare tickets. One. I also need to show you some cats I got off camera. Another upgrade from Rover Cat. I ain't mad about that. I will never be mad about that. But please give me like some anti-angel, please. Something anti-angel. Cat Gunslinger. Do we already have Cat Gunslinger? I swear we do. No. Sometimes slows black enemies. Okay, we don't need nothing for black enemies. On anti-angel, please. And we got a Jurassic Cat. It's fine. It's cat babysitter right now, but it's fine. We also have lucky capsules. It's fine. It's good. These 3 lucky capsules opened up. Okay. Nice. We gotta speed up. We always need speed ups. Ooh, we got a little cow cat. It's like a rapper. Okay. And 30,000 experience. Oh, I also need to show you guys. Also, let's go to the cat guide and check out all these cats. Get all the cat food we can. We're not up to, how much is it? 15,000 just yet, but we will get up there. I'm working on it. I'm working on it a lot, but Mike's running away again by playing all these games. So don't worry, guys. And we got Cat Gunslinger. The only 2 new cats we got. But once we get another user rank reward, it's over. We got another ticket. Also, we got a little UFO cat. It was first little bird cat. A tiny guy with dreams of becoming that cat with health of a pea and exponential attack power. Health of a pea? Who would want health of a pea? A tiny guy with dreams of becoming that cat who overcame gravity and is good against multiple enemies. I couldn't read for a second. A tiny guy with a dream of becoming that cat who thinks quick and uses his head. My words are all jumbled up today for some reason. Oh, and we couldn't upgrade him fully. But why don't you look at that? 1 rare ticket and 1 leash. Now, like the Spirit Bomb from Dragon Ball Z, I'm pretty sure none of y'all know the Spirit Bomb, but like the Spirit Bomb from Dragon Ball Z, I need your energy, guys. Raise your hands up in the air and give me your energy. Let's get an Uber. Eyes closed. Not even gonna look. Uber is good against angels too. And we got Mercat. We got one more lucky ticket though. What we gonna get? Come on, give me some experience. I mean, little cats are good, but little axe cat, we're good, but yeah, I really need that experience, bro. I could have little axe cat doesn't go for that much experience. I was about to say I could have traded little axe cat for experience. Nah, he don't go for that much. I think the little cats go for like 1 or 5 experience. But as you see, I've gotten zombie stages completed everywhere in chapter 1, except for the one place we need to complete. The moon. What loadout do we have? We have our zombie killing loadout. Let's. Oh, it's nice to have them right there, but let's switch them right there like that, so we're good. You know what? I'm taking you out, and I'm putting in Crazed Bahamut Cat, because I really like Crazed Bahamut Cat. He's one of the best cats I have. One of the best, because he's not leveled up all the way fully. So yeah. So let's immediately put out one of those so he can deal with the penguin and all the little guys, and get the boxers out. I'm just start spamming, because with zombie units, when it comes to zombie units, for me, I want to spam as much as possible at first. So when the zombie like digs under, he doesn't get to the stuff, all the rest of the stuff. You put Crazed Bahamut out there. Kill that penguin. Welterweight Cat's coming out. Oh god, I almost forgot about you. Let's hope we can do this. And there's no god when we're dealing with zombies, so we're hoping and praying. Oh, I almost sneezed. Okay. Now, Bahamut hasn't got there yet, but once he does, he'll deliver the pain. He'll deliver the pain exponentially. Like that pain won't stop. That pain won't stop raining down. He'll deliver the pain. Yeah, look at that. Told you. Even though Bahamut softened him up. Bahamut softened him up. Even though gang was on and everybody else was attacking, Bahamut softened him up. Undead Slayer. Moon Outbreak contained. Got 10 cat food. Look at that. All Empire quarantine zones secure. Max energy increased by 50. You know what that means, guys. We get more energy to do with as we please in our videos. Look at that. Clear all Empire Cats Chapter 1 Zombie Outbreak stages. Now, I haven't been working on the other stages yet, but we will. We will. But let's see if we can take on this angel level and into the futures. But, okay, let's change our loadout. Which loadout should we go with? This one. But we should put in our only anti-angel cat for Miss Moneko. Totem Pole Cat. Totem Pole Cat's got to be at the end of the spectrum. 570. Do we have any other anti-angels? Not just floating. Okay, let's check the super rares. Red, long distance, floating, red, floating. Barrier breaker, so aliens, and long range attacker. So no. We're obviously keeping Rover Cat in there for the aliens, if there are aliens in this stage. But we just know Ghana has a lot of the angel hippos. We're gonna. Oh, I was about to say we're gonna just wait till we can get enough. Come on, send something out, Ghana, please. I do not have time for the angel hippos. You're not gonna send anything but the angel hippos out. I have no choice but to send all of my fleet out. You know, I'm really working on getting Paris Cat to a good enough level, guys, because Paris Cat is a really good cat. She has exponential attack power and a good range. She has good range. She can just stand behind while we attack and stuff like that. So, come on, just take one of them out. Take one of them out, please. Just take one of them out. One, just one. As soon as we take one of them out, we're good. We're set. You see that? You see that? She survived. She survived. As soon as we take one out, we're good. We're good for the rest. We're good for the rest. We're good. We're set. As soon as we take one out. Oh God. This is not going as planned. Ah, come on. Here. I really don't want to use God. What's this? I have 2 zombie sages, so I'm gonna use this. I know it might be cheap, but I was really hoping for anti-angels with those little cat capsule draws. So call it cheap all you want. I don't care. My best thing is I wanted Rocket Cat. Rocket Cat's a good anti-angel. He's resistant to angel attacks and stuff like that. So he's a good like angel meat shield. Also, if you level him up enough, he's good for all the angels in the first level of Into the Future. I like clicking all the way down there. See? Oh, no, we're fine. We're fine. But not Bahamut. Bahamut's slow now. But just wait. Bahamut's gonna get ultra powerful and stuff like that. My commentary's not that good. I gotta work on it. I want the speech classes. Speech helps. I gotta learn how to say words properly. Because words don't know how. Words don't accept it. Words don't accept who I am. You might be like, what do you mean by that? Like, how do I explain it? Well, that just explained it. Like, I couldn't even say a word right there. Like, words reject my mouth for some reason. Like, you want it to come out? Nah, we're fine. We're chilling in here. We're chilling in here. We don't need to come out. It's like, come on. Not being able to come on. These seals just die? Please? Please. Thank you. I'm gonna send out Ganglion, so if we have any more seals that come out, they'll just die. And yeah, that seems good enough. Bahamut and Lucifer at the same speed. They're so slow. But I mean, hey, if you have a good cat, why complain about it? And we got one rich cat for defeating Imperator Seal. Unlock the true form of any normal cat. No. I don't feel like doing that. I mean, I can. Like, this is the one with that 80,000 XP. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. I really gotta go back. If I go back through all of these, like all of the Into the Future stages I've played, I'm pretty sure I can get like 15,000 cat food. Just so we can do an 11 draw this episode, guys. But I don't know. But rest of these stages should be like I'm not gonna say a breeze because I don't want to jinx myself. But the rest of these stages should be fairly not that difficult. I shouldn't need to rely on God. But so how has your days been going? I know I'm hoping you can hear my voice over all the rest of the audio. If there's anybody in the comments that can tell me, hopefully, I mean, I watch my videos back, so I'll watch it back. But yeah, the big question: how's your days been going, guys? My day's been good. My day's been good. I've been learning on how to make bracelets. And that's because, okay, so I know I've been promoting the shirts a lot, but when it comes down to it, with the shirts, we don't really have the shirts made just yet. Like I said, we have someone making them, we don't have them made just yet though. So once the first shirt gets made, we're gonna send it out to a person. The person that commented on my short, and we're gonna send it out to he, she, whoever they are. Their identity. I'm such a good person. And they'll get some free merch. They're also going to get for their compensation and for their waiting and patience, they're going to get a free bracelet. Custom made, by the way, from yours truly, the one, the only, the handsomest, clear as the night. You know what I mean? Yes, I just referred to myself as him. Yeah. Okay, now these cats need to really pull up faster, because Bahamut's getting smacked. Ganglion seems like he's about to get smacked. I don't like this. Good thing we pushed him back though, and Ganglion just stays there for a while. But like that's the bad thing about Ganglion. Ganglion's in the front lines. That's what I really don't like about Ganglion. That's what I really don't like about this Slappy Bear. If you attack it enough, his damage goes up, but that does also mean that his health is low. And I'm glad he has a cooldown on his attack time. And now he's dead. See, I told you, it would be like fairly simple. That guy's trying to formulate words in my head, but for some reason. But you guys always gotta know, I will always be making videos for you guys until the day I say I retire. There will be a video made. I don't plan on retiring soon. I mean, look at that. Little giraffe cat. No XP. A tiny guys would dream of becoming that cat who headbangs only to rock and roll. A tiny guy with dreams of becoming that combat maniac who's strong against reds. Okay. You know, a little axe cat will come in handy, like in the stage that's only reds. Okay. I got that stage. But let's take on Argentina. Argentina, she's a fan. Yeah. Argentina looks pretty nice, yet it's a soccer dude. Okay, but it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Chill. He has blue antennae coming out of his head. Antennas. What do you call them, guys? I see. When it comes down to okay, well, black units. Okay, I did not anticipate black units. Okay. I did not anticipate this. But and it's fine. As long as we don't got no black gories, we're fine. Hoping I didn't jinx myself. But I need a question of the day for today. Okay, so start playing these things out beforehand. Oh no. It's a boxer. We do not do boxers here. It's a boxer. Oh god, no. And I gotta wipe my eyes a little bit. Oh god. Please tell me. You got it. You got the boxer. See, that's why we put out Valkyrie Cat. No. That's not why we put out vacuum cat. Not to get knocked back, but to take out the boxer. That was 3 shots and we got knocked back. Tom, good to take out the boxer. What kind of trickery is this? Like scam calls? Scam likely? Excuse me? Okay. Like, that was a hit from Ganglion, one of my strongest Ubers. I know all the cats I'm using are supposed to be like level 20. Okay, we're fine. There was no problem in this stage at all. This stage was cakewalk. Walk of cake. Cake walk. Walked all over. But, alright. Like I was saying. So, you know what? I'm gonna test out y'all morals and stuff like that. See if y'all got some good morals. Oh, nah. Good. See if y'all just good hearted. You know what I mean? Okay. So, I'm gonna ask this: if y'all see a wallet just lying in the middle of the road, why is Easter Island split off from everything else? Why is it just split off? That's strange. Never mind that. If you guys see a wallet just lying in the road, it's not yours. You go to pick it up. Well, okay. Just a floating head. Okay. In less than 10 seconds. Okay. It's not yours. Not your wallet at all. But the wallet has $5,000 inside of it. What are you doing? Will you take the wallet? Or will you report the wallet and try to give it back to its owner? Hey, if you're gonna take the wallet, just say take it in the comments. If you're gonna leave the wallet, say leave it. It's a take it or leave it deal. Which one you gonna do? See, for me, well, no, not take it or leave it. Take it or return it. That's the thing. That's the deal. Take it or return it. So with me, I would return it. You might be like, most of y'all be like, why would you return it? That's good money right there that you could spend. But it's like, okay. But it's like, I mean, like, you have a way, there's ways to get rewarded for good things. So you never know. Me returning the wallet, the man might give me the $5,000 he has in his wallet. Or something else. You know what I mean? He might give me more than just the $5,000. He might give me a new flat screen TV. You never know. This is what I'm telling you guys. It's just like, when it comes down to it, when it really just boils down to it, you know, do good deeds get good rewards. So I'm just saying, I might get a new flat screen TV, might get a new house, might get a new everything just from returning this. Okay. Stop it. Now there's a moth here. Stop it. You stupid. You just stupid. Stupid. Stop it. Come on, Ganglion, get out here. Get here fast enough. I would call on Bahamut, but Bahamut doesn't really get here that fast. Okay, I'm gonna call on Bahamut. I should have put out Lucifer, because Lucifer does massive damage to floating enemies, but this floating enemy is an alien, so we're fine. I don't know why the alien moth is so strong. I haven't gotten all the treasures here, so that's probably why the aliens are so strong to me. Because, like, the aliens could have been weaker if I would have gotten all the treasures here. Now I'm gonna just start spamming these swimmer cats. Diver cats, I guess you can call them. What's their name? Swimmer cat. Yeah, swimmer cat. Swimmer cat. Because, I mean, like, hey, they do massive damage towards floating. So, I mean... Okay. Gotta stand that now. Okay, now we're fine. We're fine. We don't have anything to worry about, guys. We're all good, peachy, good under the hood. But, okay. But like I was saying, I would legit return the wallet, because I mean, like I said, you never know. I might get more than $5,000. I might get like $15,000 from the man and said thank you for returning my wallet, something like that. Or you, worst case scenario, you walk away knowing you did a good deed, not getting anything. You walk away getting nothing out of the interaction. But still, you did a good deed. So one good deed for the rest of your life, and then you don't have to do any more. I level up the little cats because it's a good way to get my user rank up. But yeah, one good deed that you've done. You don't have to do any more. You know what? Let's go to some Story of Legend stages, because it'd be good if we did those. All right. Ooh. Proving Grounds. Nope, that's an expert level. Sweet Irony. That's an insane level. We don't have that many. Vanguard, that's a veteran level. Duel on Sunset. It's a normal level. I get nothing for clearing this. Three stages. Nothing for clearing each of them. Okay, bet. Bad, guys, it cut out, the video cut out, but like I said, okay, bet, let's get this. Swimmer cat, just take out that giant head right there. As soon as he dies, I'm putting out pairs. Nah, I'm putting out Ganglion as soon as he dies. There it goes, and Ganglion. And I gotta wait for Ganglion to charge his attack again. And then guess what? That base is defeated. And 70,000. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff I just got. Duel on the Dunes. Bondage to Awaken. Nah, we're doing another duel at sunset. And this one's hard. Still max deployable cats 1. Ooh, we get a cat ticket. Ooh. Yeah, I can tell it's hard. It's farther away this time. I'm gonna just wait for my money to charge up so I can send out Ganglion so he could. Well, I don't think he's gonna one-shot the base. He might though. I feel like they're just waiting for me to put out mine so they can put out theirs. Yeah, I'll put out Valkyrie. I didn't want to put out Valkyrie. Oh god, come on, Valkyrie. Now he's gonna attack the base and stuff like that. Valkyrie, come on. Just a floating red head. He's harmless. You have taken things out tougher than him. There it goes. There you go. It's the alien hippo. We're not getting the time score rewards on this, but hey. Okay. Oh, God. Ganglion. Now, finally, I can put out Ganglion. Ooh, angels. Ooh. Okay, so, okay. Maybe Ganglion could take this angel out. Why is this angel so strong? Ganglion has no anti-floating, so he cannot resist Ganglion's attacks. Dang it, I put out a Paris cat. Paris is gonna die. I meant to put out Awaken Bahamut. Yeah. And he's still attacking the base and not attacking Bahamut. So Bahamut can get off one more blast and we're good. Oh, Bahamut's so slow. Oh, God. Gotta wait till Bahamut gets there. Anytime now. At this rate, I'm not even going to get the cat ticket. And it's a 500. Now this is the fastest I've ever seen Bahamut go. See, look how fast he is. He's like one of my fastest units. You know what I mean? Probably going to get all the score rewards for this. And... okay. Now I got to wait for him to recharge his attack. Okay. And finito. That was pitiful. We're gonna open this cat ticket on camera. Ooh, a cat research. Boy, I always need one of those. Sushimi. Now what we're gonna do is just to get my level up, I max you out. Also gonna give you a level because you need it. Also, just because I am really in need of XP. Yeah, why don't I use the state I used to clear last time? Stupid. Boom. Attacking base. You should die from this redhead, but I can just send out another one. And another one. Okay, now all these redheads at the base. Christ. I'm gonna send you out. Because you're good with dealing with reds. Ah, come on. You ain't gonna let him hit the base again. Of course you are. Because you're a sucky cat. Suck. And there's the alien hippo coming out. I don't even know why I'm doing this again. I can just do this off camera. And boom. Do. Riding through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, Batman smells and Robin Lane. Oh God, come on. Here, I'll put you out. Had no idea that was gonna happen. Wow, this hippo is moving exponentially faster. So is Nymphcat. As soon as Nymphcat dies, I'm putting out something else. Okay. There he goes. Ooh. Nothing's getting past this hippo. Here, I'll put you out. See if you can get past the hippo. God, Lucifer, you're so weak. I think that's the thing that messes me up so much. It's the hippo. When doing these levels, doing these stages, it's the hippo. See, we're about to die right now. Lucifer can't kill this hippo. But what is this hippo doing? Attacking my base. And death. We didn't even die the first time. 37% on the... Duel under stars. Okay, what's the time score? Woo! I like that. No, we're just using leadership. Oh, 578. 578. That is a lot. Jesus Christ. Why did I put out a... God. I'm sorry, Battlecat fans. I failed you. Who knew a dog could beat a giraffe? I forgot Nymphcat attack isn't really that speedy. They really need me. I really need to have better units. I just need to level them up. I couldn't even get it down like halfway. 89, really? Midas touch, we're not even touching that. Get it, get it, get it. Pretty good joke, pretty good joke, pretty good joke. Just no continues on that one. Risque terrain. Six levels. Let me check something real quick, guys. Yep. What we're gonna do. How difficult is this? What's the difficulty? What's the difficulty in Heavenly Tower? You know what? Nah. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna go to Empire Cats. Zombie outbreak right here. I'm gonna take it out with the antidote out. Okay, cat combo. Micro fighters. Strong effect up, small. Look, we have mini cyclones with mini little sexy legs and solar cat. Oh, also, yeah, bean cat upgraded into bra cat. Said to also have the meow meow alias. Always plays nice with each other. Might knock back red enemies. Earned the nickname Sweater Bra when they traded their bean pot for fine French silk. I could get any of the special cats, but I don't want to. We got what we need. Like I always say, my best strategy for any of these levels is to put all this stuff out first, and then because all these units do a lot of damage to the base, and not only that, they just do a lot of damage in general, so they can get a job done real fast and quick. It sucks that Giraffe Cat is so much faster than all the rest of them, because they're going to dig under Giraffe Cat and then get to the rest of my units, which I really don't want. Once you wake Cat, that really mess up the whole time. You know what? I said the Gory is gonna mess it up. You never knew that welterweight was gonna mess it up, because you never get these many knockbacks welterweight. This has never happened in centuries. Never this many knockbacks. Yet the one time we're doing good. We're doing give the base the business. You decide you want it to be useful all of a sudden. See, this is the problem now. Stop being useful. I don't mean that welterweight. Please keep being useful. Please keep knocking these things back. Because honestly, right now it seems like you are having a dilemma. You're having a midlife crisis. Bahamut Cat's coming out. And guess what that means? We're going to be maybe okay. So yeah. Alright, so guys, in the making and behind the scenes, I'm trying to find me an editing coach. A professional editor. Maybe not professional, somebody that's just good at editing. That could coach me anyway possible. And now, no, we don't want a platinum ticket. We get it, Uberfest. Dual stages. It's high noon. But that's the end for this video. Served with a nice garnish of... I got it. Guacamole sauce. I don't know. Just made something up. But, alright guys. That's the end of the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.